Factorize 120. يعني ايه factorization؟ يعني هنا we want to write a number as a product of its prime factors. اللي انا هعمله دلوقتي ان انا هفايند التري، يعني هفايند البرايم factors ل 120. طيب what about 120؟ what times what equal 120؟ هنا في الونس we have 0، then we can write a number ده as 12 times 10. ال 12 non prime يبقى لها completed 12. what times what equals 12؟ 3 times 4. ال 3 prime هدرو circle وستوب. ال 4 non prime then هcomplete ال 4. what times what equal 4؟ 2 times 2. وال 2 prime هput circle وستوب. what about ال 10؟ ال 10 2 times 5 وال 2 prime هستوب وال 5 prime هستوب. Now بقى we can write 120 as 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. لو عايزة complete هنا ال 3 هي 1 time فهرايت 3 times how many times ال 2؟ 3 times 1 2 3. then we can write it 2 as 2 to the power 3 multiply by 5. then we have 120 equals 3 times 2 to the power 3 multiply by 5. 124 هفايند التري ليها. طيب what times what equal 124؟ 124 دي even number, then we can write 2 times the number. if we want to find a number ال other factor we can do long division. then 124 divided by 2 هنstart from ال 1 smaller than هرايت 0 up and هتشوز another digit. طيب what about ال 12؟ 12 at 6 هرايت 6 up we subtract 12 down. we have bring down ال 4 ال 4 at 2 هرايت ال 2 up we subtract then we have 62. okay طيب ال 2 prime هدرو circle we stop. what about 62؟ برضو even number يبقى we can write ال 62 as 2 times the number. 2 times what؟ 2 times 31. 2 prime هدرو circle we stop و 31 prime هدرو circle we stop. then we can write 124 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 31. طيب احنا هنا how many times ال 2؟ we have 2 times then we can write as 2 squared multiply by 31. factorize 32 هرايت التري ل 32 هفايند التري ل 32. what about 32؟ 4 times 8 equal 32. ال 4 non prime هcomplete ال 4. 2 times 2 equal 4. ال 2 prime then هدرو circle وstop. what about ال 8؟ ال 8 non prime هcomplete 2 times 4. ال 2 prime هدرو circle وstop. what about ال 4؟ ال 2 times 2 then we can write 32 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. how many times ل 2؟ we have 5 times then we can write 32 as 2 to the power 5.